Get us out of this damned city once and for all. You still don't get it, do you? You think you can stop them? You think you can stop anything that's coming? Let me tell you a little.
Go on. Keep talking. Tell me again how I don't matter.
I love it.
I fucking love it.
So please, go on, Roman.
I said go on!
You know, I lied about the pigs. My favorite part wasn't when they loved it. Nah, the best part was when they struggled right up until the end. And that shriek, best sound in the world.
Didn't sound anything